Hello everyone, welcome to your class. In this class, we will study how to form questions. In the last class, we did the same. Here is a quick recap of the last class. In the last class, we understood questions can be formed by three ways. First, by changing the position of some words. Second, by adding do, does or did. Third, by adding words. Now we will frame questions with do, does or did. So, first question, change these statements to question. First statement is they like going for picnics. We have to frame a question for this answer. You can now pause the video and write your answer in notebook and then check it. So the question will be, do they like going for picnics? And don't forget to put a question mark. Next, Nancy loves swimming. The question will be, does Nancy love swimming? Next one, they sang loudly. The sentence is in past tense, so we will use did. The question will be, did they sing loudly? See the next one. Abhay likes baking cakes. So the question will be, does Abhay like baking cakes? Now question number 2, we will be framing questions with words. Now in this questions, answers are given to you and you have to frame questions with words. First one, read out the answer. I woke up late and missed the bus. आपको इसके अकॉर्डिंग क्वेश्चन बनाना है. आपको आंसर देखना है पहले ध्यान से. आंसर क्या कह रहा है? आई वोक अप लेट. मैं लेट उठा, मैंने बस मिस कर दी. आई मिस द बस. तो आप क्वेश्चन इसका क्या बनाएंगे? वाई डिड यू मिस द बस. यही क्वेश्चन हम इसका बना सकते हैं ना. जब आंसर क्या है? मैं लेट उठा, मैंने बस मिस कर दी. तो हम क्या पूछेंगे? इसके पहले हमने क्या पूछा होगा? तुमने बस मिस क्यों की? क्यों के लिए हम क्या राइट करते हैं? वाई. सो वी विल राइट वाई डिड यू मिस द बस. सी द नेक्स्ट वन. माई फादर वेक्स मी अप इन द मॉर्निंग. इसका क्वेश्चन क्या हो सकता है? हु वेक्स यू अप इन द मॉर्निंग. सिंपल. इन दिस वे वी विल राइट इट. नेक्स्ट, my mother dropped me at school. So the question will be, who dropped you at school? And put a question mark. Next, I am sorry, I left it in car. The question will be, where did you leave it? Where did you leave it? Next, I will do this exercise for homework. तो आप क्वेश्चन कैसे फॉर्म करेंगे? When will you do this exercise? Next one, Mummy has made a bed for it. So आप क्वेश्चन कैसे फॉर्म करेंगे? Who has made a bed for it? We will write who has made a bed for it. तो चलिए आज के लिए बस इतना ही. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो.